The recession is likely over. Welcome to the latest LPL Street View. Well, the economic data keeps getting better and the stock market keeps soaring. Let's look at the stock market just for a second here. As we record this, S&P up 10% for the year, NASDAQ up more than 30% for the year, some of the largest moves we've ever seen the past 3 or 4 months in the stock market. But what is it telling us? If you look back at the last 4 times, the S&P 500 made a new all-time high during a recession. Take a wild guess what happened that next month. The recession was over every single time. We've said for a while at LPL Research, the stock market's forward-looking. We think it is suggesting, again, this recession is likely going to be one of the shortest we've ever seen. The previous shortest we've ever seen was 6 months back in the early 80s. When all is said and done, this is probably going to be quite similar. But let's take another look at things, right? Look at copper. Copper is breaking out to a 2-year high. Another sign that likely the global economy is improving. Look at some of the housing data we've seen. We saw an all-time record in existing home sales recently, but all the data we're seeing out of housing is extremely strong. The recent earnings season we saw, 84% of companies beat earnings, and it's all about what they had to say about the future, as they were very optimistic about the future. And let's not forget small businesses. Small businesses are still quite optimistic as well about the future. Now, you look at manufacturing. Manufacturing all of a sudden has hit a 2-year high also, and that's one of those canaries in a coal mine we really like to see. Historically speaking, manufacturing bottoms about 4 months before a recession's over. Manufacturing bottomed 4 months ago, so that's exactly another potential sign this recession is likely over. Now, here's the catch. This recession is over, but the economy is splitting 2 ways. Now, next time on the LPL Street View, Burt White is going to come on and talk about some of the winners and some of the losers that we're seeing in this current economic, now we're going to call expansion. Thanks for being here this week. Take care.